In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add status on Clickup in just 5 minutes. Clickup has become the go-to app for managing work and projects efficiently. Adding a status is crucial as it helps in tracking the progress of tasks and ensuring that everyone in the team is on the same page. Let's dive into how you can do this effortlessly. Firstly, you need to navigate to Clickup. If you're not already familiar, Clickup is an immensely versatile app that can cater to almost every aspect of work management. You can access it by going to the official Clickup website. Once there, you'll find yourself at the doorway to a more organized workflow. To move forward, you're required to log in. This step is straightforward but crucial. Enter the email associated with your Clickup account. Ensure that you input it correctly to avoid any login issues. Immediately after, you will be prompted to enter your password. Take a moment to ensure that your caps lock is not inadvertently on and enter your password carefully. Once your credentials are entered, go ahead and click on the login button. At this point, you'll be granted access to your Clickup dashboard. It's a hub where you can view, manage and organize everything from tasks to documents. Upon successfully logging in, navigate to the Clickup home. This is essentially your starting point in Clickup, where you can quickly access recent tasks, documents and notifications. From there, you need to access your team space. Team spaces in Clickup are designed to help you segregate different projects, teams or departments. Clicking on your team space will take you close to the task at hand. Next, identify and click on the specific project you're working on. Projects in Clickup are collections of tasks related to a particular initiative or goal. Finding the right project is essential as it narrows down your focus to the tasks that are current and relevant. Now it's time to zoom in further by clicking on a specific task within your project. Tasks are the fundamental units of work in Clickup. They're what you'll be updating statuses for, so selecting the right task is key. Having selected the task, the next step is to click on the status of that task. The status indicates the stage or progress of the task. Clickup allows for customizable status options, so you might see different status names depending on how your workspace is set up. Now, why is updating the status important? When you update a status, you're essentially communicating the progress of a task to the rest of your team. It helps in setting clear expectations and aids in tracking overall project progress. It also enables team members to prioritize their work based on the status of tasks they are handling or collaborating on. At this point, you're probably wondering about customization. Clickup offers a high level of customization, so you can create statuses that perfectly align with the workflow and culture of your team or project. Whether you're marking a task as in progress and review or done, these statuses can provide instant insight into the health and pace of your projects. In conclusion, mastering the simple act of adding and updating statuses on Clickup can significantly enhance your project management effectiveness. It not only keeps everyone informed, but also encourages transparency and accountability within teams. Remember, the key to successful project management is not just about using the right tools, but also about utilizing them to their fullest potential. And with this guide, you're well on your way to doing just that with Clickup. That's all for now. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Stay organized and see the progress unfold in your projects with just a few clicks.